going on, guys? It's Dylan here. Today we'll be going over a ticker symbol analysis on the ticker symbol IDEX, IDEX. Before we get into the price action technical analysis, where I see the stock price going, I just want to let you know that I am bullish on the company. So with that being out of the way, let's get right into the chart. So there is a descending support line right there, countered by a descending resistance. Okay, so this is a descending wedge pattern, which we did break out of. We kind of are having a little bit of troubles really get going after this, as you generally do see a nice, nice price action of something like this. Not to a T, but it's a lot more choppy and generally not is slanted up like that, but you get the gist. If we break this pattern to the upside, you generally do see a nice price target of this to this. So potentially 44%, but I like to cut that in half just so I'm not caught chasing. So, a nice price target could potentially be that $3.42 mark, which I do like a lot, as that is some resistance. So, it's pretty nice. I do think that is definitely attainable with this pattern. The market conditions, the SPY will have a part to do with this, but let's hop into the 1 hourly to see what else is going on. So you do see that on the 1 hourly we have a descending resistance line right there, and to counter that we do have a support level, right? So this is a descending triangle. I really like it. It's very, very clean. We might just continue to play out throughout this until eventually we make a move. And the longer we stay within this, the more compact and the more the buyers and sellers will be waiting on the sidelines, waiting to short this thing to the downside or potentially to the upside if it breaks out. So when this resistance line breaks to the downside, to this support level right here of $2.94, we'll probably come back to that $2.80 level, maybe that $2.75, and if we do break to the upside, probably like that $3.17 level, or approximately around there. I would say a 6% increase from there. Yeah, approximately 6%. So if we drag that up, it's being really glitchy, but you get the gist. If we do break to the upside of this descending resistance, we'll see a nice pop. So on the hourly, you do see we're in a death cross, so that's definitely not good. But if I zoom out, you see a lot of just trends of a lot of selling pressure, then buying, selling, buying, selling, buying. So how much longer will we maintain this and then potentially enter a golden cross, which will help the price action? I don't know, but I will be keeping an eye on that, and you should too. The RSI is at 41.79, which isn't too attractive, honestly. It's not the best. I don't like the RSI to be at that level, but it happens. So I do see it as a support line that we are meeting, so that might be some nice. That might be a nice support level to help us bounce. But if we do break down from this, then this is one of the biggest trend lines that definitely the chart has bounced off on the way from all the way from $2.28 to $3.20 at a peak, currently at $2.95 at the making of this video, right? So keep a watch on that as well. We should see a bounce soon. If not, we might bleed a little bit off this support, because then we would be breaking the descending wedge as well. Then we'd be breaking that support line, so then that really wouldn't be looking too good in my opinion. Well, actually it's not true. We could just consolidate off, but yeah, I said that wrong. So let's go to the 4 hourly. So the 4 hourly, it's about the same story, kind of just a little more broad. The candles aren't too strong, but they're not too weak regardless. I do say that right now it is looking a little bearish, but you do see we set one higher low, another higher low, and another higher low. So higher highs and higher lows is the definition of an uptrend. So if we keep doing this, then that is a stair-stepping like effect. So that definitely isn't bad. On the grand scheme of things, we are making higher highs and higher lows, so I do like that. We are trying to get above that 200-day MA as well, this green line, which is my favorite support line. So with that being said, I definitely do appreciate you sticking to this point of the video. If you want to like, subscribe, definitely do so. And with that being said, guys,